under the bridge, line 5, here we go. So the first 2 bars are repeats of groove from the previous line. Okay, so you've already done that in the last video. So we are going to look at bar number 3 in this video. Bar number 3 is going to be a hat, hat and bass, hat and snare, hat and bass, and that's going to sound like this. And again, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last time, 2, 3, 4. Okay, then we're going to have hat and bass, hi-hat, hat and snare, hi-hat. Those 4 notes sound like this. And again, count you in, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's put all 8 notes together. That's what it sounds like. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's move on to the last bar of this line. Hi-hat on its own, hat and bass, hat and snare, hi-hat. That sounds like this. Hat and bass, 2 snares, and a high tom. Now the rhythm for the fill at the end is going to be 2 semiquavers, so they're nice and quick, and then a quaver. Put that rhythm together. Let's put in the first 5 notes of that last bar with the fill. This is what it sounds like, then I'll count you in. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's do the whole of those last 2 bars of the bottom line. Okay, so this is bar number 3 and bar number 4 played together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next bar. Fill. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, give that a shot. Enjoy.